Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This video expresses gratitude for the snow removal heroes who work hard during winter while the city sleeps, ensuring safe and accessible roads and sidewalks. They often sacrifice personal comfort and family time, working long hours in cold conditions. They are our saviors, cause if they were not here, the city would be buried under snow. Viewers are encouraged to acknowledge their efforts with kindness and appreciation. Thank you for honoring these unseen community heroes. So viewers, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos that celebrate the amazing people in our community.